What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I got my boy over here.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
It's my boy Mitch, mechanic. If you need a mechanic in the tri-state area, that's my boy over here. He will do anything you want. As you can see, he's got the hookup. He's got all the tools and shit.
Not all the tools.
Wow.
Enough tools.
Enough tools. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
So. Oh yeah. What you doing then? Transmission oil change?
Yeah, on this piece of shit CRV.
Who's the owner? Should we say who the owner is?
Drew STI.
There we go. So I'm talking about.
Apparently, though, he took off his Instagram.
Oh, he did? Oh,
He
man.
got tired of losing, so he didn't want to post it no more.
Oh, shit. You're talking trash about the boy that doesn't have an Instagram anymore. Anyway, so we're doing some work over here, and I just wanted to keep you guys updated. I'm trying to change my fog vessels for the STI, for the WRX. My bad. I used to have that, not anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my boy's ride. That's a real STI, not my fake one. I'm fake. He's real. He's got a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff. Yeah, so that's his ride. As you can see, he upkeeps it pretty well. Even though it's nasty as fuck, but yeah, that's his ride right there. It's very slow. I think he's got only like 100 horsepower. But yeah, so today I came to do some little bit of work on the exhaust that we're missing a part before, and I decided to go with this look. So this is the new style. So I just got him from OEM. So I ended up getting the WRX STI fog vessels. And I modified them a little bit so it can fit. It's not flush, but it's, you know, the best I can do. As you can see, there's a tiny little gap in there in between the inner side of the bumper and the actual fog vessel, but it looks neat. The light looks okay. I'm gonna turn it on for you, but first let's get to the actual details of how to do it. So the way they come is they come like this. It comes with 3 plastic ribbons. As you can see, this one I already modified it. So you guys with 1, 2, and 3 plastic ribbons that you can just, if you have a Dremel, I would advise to get a Dremel, to borrow or rent a Dremel. You just kind of like cut it in the middle so it can actually come off, and it pops right off. It's actually not that bad. So as you can see, this is the OEM original Subaru part. And this is the one that comes for the I think 18 plus STIs. So this should be a direct fit, right? So yeah, so once you modified it, you take that off. It should look flush when you install it on the car. So as you can see, I showed you guys the other one, so I'm gonna just put the video while I do it. I don't have the removing tool for the vessels, so I'm just gonna have to use what I got. But yeah, so stick around and watch. So you can see I made a mistake there because I don't have the tools for this, but I'm trying. If you have the tools for it, it should be a lot easier than it did. So it snaps off. You can see the old one. Now that I have modified the new one, I'm just gonna pop it right back on. Make sure you first insert this side and then go to the other side, because otherwise this one will never come in if you start with this side. as simple as it gets. As you can see, there's a tiny little gap on this side. You can see a little bit, but it's not extremely crazy. I guess it's just how it is. I don't know if it's the same way for the STIs. So if you know, and you have an STI and it's actually the way it looks, then just put that on the comments, because I'd like to know if that's just because bumpers vary from WRX and STI. But I was under the impression that they were the same. Don't know. But anyways, yeah. So let's give it a turn. Come on, give me the key. Sorry. There we go. Keys inside the car.
Rears with classes in landscape design,
And then
floral design,
lights
gardening,
on.
and more. Info at NYC.
And this is what it looks like with the fog lights on. Nothing crazy, just the regular fog light. Of course, you might lose a little bit of fog light because of the grid that is on top, but I personally don't care. I like the flush look of STI on it, so yeah, that's the way it looks. So this is kind of like a quick tutorial on how to. I know I didn't Dremel it in front of you guys, but it's easy. It's really straightforward. 3 ribbons, just 1, 2, 3 with Dremel. Take it off. It pops right off. It literally just like you can just with your hands pull it up. It's not that difficult. Yeah, just use the tool. I'd recommend using the tools that are specific for this. I didn't have them. I'll post on the links below and on the comments below what I used. But yeah, I don't think you guys should be using the same thing I did. And it should be pretty straightforward. Please, if you like it, comment below. Also, if you have an STI and you know that it sits the same, please let me know, because I'm curious. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can get notifications when I post the next one. So on to the next one.